How's everyone doing? Dan Lauer here with the MarineMax Nisswa sales team, and I'm excited to walk you guys through our first ever 2025 MasterCraft X24. But before we get in the boat, let's talk about some specs. First off, this is a 24-foot boat and has a dry weight of 6,100 pounds. It comes standard with a 6.2-liter Ilmor engine that's 430 horsepower, and this has a stock ballast of 4,300 pounds. We did option this one with the fast fill ballast, so within 4 minutes you're full, and within 4 minutes you're drained. Coming to the back, some of my favorite things about this boat is the swip down step, making it very easy to get in and out of the boat. Also, this boat has a thruster, which makes it extremely easy to maneuver a 24-foot boat. Here we are inside the boat. MasterCraft, as always, comes standard with the clamping board racks. This is the Z8 tower, so it simply folds by the press of a button. For 2025, they really put a lot of time and effort into enhancing the driver experience. Here we have the standard dual touchscreens. You have your 15-inch touchscreen and your 12-inch, and you can't forget the all-new rotary control, making it so easy to operate your boat on the water without touching your screens. Weather's still looking great. Come on in, let's go for a demo, try this boat out on the water. Otherwise, this is a great time of year to get in here, customize one to your colors and your liking for the 2025 boating season. Thanks, guys.